To start using real-time inventory system, you need to set up your inventory list in the stock master first. After which, conduct a stock count to record the physical quantities as at the cutoff date. Supposing you want to start issue invoice to customers or receive goods from supplier on the 1st of October 2013, you need to do a stock count on the last day of 30th September 2013 after doing your last sales. It may take more than a day or two for you to establish each item's per unit cost, thereby work out the total value of your stock as at 30th September 2013, with some allowances for errors and omissions. It is alright to issue invoice on the first day of October, even though you may not have the opening stocks entered into the system yet. For example, for this stock item, if you issue an invoice on the 1st of October, before you enter the opening balance, the system will show a -2 quantity at the end of 1st October. The system will adjust by itself the balance quantity at each transactions once you complete each stock's balances dated 30th September 2013. When the opening balance of this item AAA is entered at the stock journal here as opening balance, as shown in this entry, dated 30th September, 30 piece at 350 each. As you go and see the stock card again, from 30th September, retrieve data, the opening balance will be inserted here above 1st October to show a balance of 28 piece, as compared to the earlier screen that shows -2 piece here. In this video, you are going to learn how to enter your company's closing stock in the real-time inventory system. This is a sample report of a stock closing value as at 30th September 2013. Total 10 pages and warehouse location T. Of $90,000 worth of goods as at 30th September 2013, with 244 stocks item in total. In hand balance quantity, the unit cost, and the line item total. At stock entry, click on stock journal. Click add. Enter the header notes. Closing stock as at 30th September 2013. At the top here, click opening. Enter the date 30th September. It is recommended that the journal be dated 30th September instead of 1st October so that it will not mix up with the 1st October transactions. Click add. Enter the stock code and the quantity as at 30th September. Click the auto cost. By default, the unit cost is already preset in the stock master file. Unless necessary, do not change it. Click add. Continue to add the next quantity with the quantity and unit cost. Click add. It is recommended that each stock journal opening balance be kept at 50 line items, after which click Save. Continue with the second journal. Select the tab Opening. Click Add. Continue to enter the next lot of 50 items, that is from 51 to 100. Once complete, click Save and exit. When all the items are entered, you should see 5 rows of stock journal opening balances in the summary screen here. We do not recommend that you put in all your opening stocks into one single journal entry. Click Edit. It will take a while for the system to open up because your records were too many. And this is how it's going to look like for 200 over items, and in case of errors or omissions, it will be much more difficult for you to locate the items. And if your company has got multiple warehouses or multiple outlets, for example, Tanglin Mall or Marina Square, these are represented by the warehouse code tab here. You also need to enter the opening balances of each location. Each outlet manager will log into the system with their own user ID and password to enter their own opening balances. From the stock list, enter the quantity and the unit cost. Once complete, click Save. The user at TM location will log out. And assuming now you are the supervisor in the HQ, log into the system again. Enter the system with your user ID and password. Click Login. Click Select. You have successfully entered all your opening balances for your HQ and your outlets opening stocks.